Hi everyone, my name is Lamia Afla Angelika, NPM 2401010025. Today, I will be present my argumentative essay. Social media has harmed student productivity more than it has helped. But before we get into the argument, I want you to imagine something. You're sitting at your desk, book open, ready to study, then a notification pops up, you check it for a second, 30 minutes later, you are still scrolling through TikTok. Sound familiar? Because the average university student spends 3 to 4 hours a day on social media. That's the same amount of the time as an entry studying session. Gone just like that. And this is happening everywhere. Today, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter have become almost inseparable from student life. Sure, they help with communication, sharing information, and access to educational content. But at the same time, the rise of short-form content combined with endless notification has made it increasingly difficult for students to maintain focus during session. Although social media offers certain benefits, excessive use has been proven to harm student productivity, particularly through constant distraction and disrupt sleep pattern. Every notification that's come in forecasts our brain to shift focus away from study material and toward the phone screen. And getting back on track takes much longer than we think. According to research by Gloria Mark, it takes 23 minutes and 50 seconds to fully regain full focus after being interrupted. That's mean if you check your phone just 3 times during one study session, you've already lost nearly an hour. Not to studying, but just to trying to focus again. Social media algorithms are specifically designed not for the well-being of user, but to maximize the time you spend on the platform. Then many students open TikTok or Instagram before bed for just a few minutes. And suddenly it's 2 in the morning. Here's what's happening. The blue light suppresses melatonin production and struggle to fall asleep. The Journal of Adults Can Help found the students who use social media more than 2 hours per night. 17% higher risk of sleep disrupt, poor sleep quality, and lower KPI among students aged 18 to 24. We studying hard at night, but a sleep-deprived brain simply can't retain the information. Sleep is not waste time, it's part of the learning process itself. Some argue that social media actually support productivity, for example, sharing study material, join group discussion, and honestly, there's some truth to that. But here's the thing, all of the function already on dedicated academic platform like Google Classroom or Microsoft without the risk of being distracted by entertainment content. Research even showed the students who use this focus platform report high text completion rates compared to those who rely on social media for academic education. The problem is not collaboration itself, but the environment in which it occurs. So, wrap things up, social media, despite its perceived benefit, has proven to be a significant obstacle to student productivity. Through the distraction is great and the damage in cause the student physical and mental well-being. First, constant notification and the addictive nature of social media platform shatter student focus. Second, the habit of using social media that at night distorts sleep quality. University students must recognize that every hour lost to middle scroll is an hour stolen from their own future. Being international about social media use, setting screen time limit, and creating one free study zone is not about rejecting technology, but about reclaiming control over one's own productivity and academic study. That's all from me. Thank you so much from the watching, and see you next time.